Learning how to write a professional research paper is an essential skill for academic success because it enhances writing and communication skills, develops critical thinking, and prepares students for higher studies. Before students begin writing, they should first establish the foundation of their research paper. This includes what topic they would like to research, how long they want their paper to be, and their thesis statement, which lays out the argument of their paper. A strong thesis statement should include three main components: the topic being discussed, a claim being made about the topic, and controls, which are the main points that support the claim. Students should first identify their topic and what they want to explore about that topic. From there, they can develop a claim and find supporting evidence which will guide the direction of their paper. Once students create and finalize their thesis statements, they can begin researching and learning more about their topic of interest. They can use websites like Google Scholar, JSTOR, and Sage Journals to find reputable online sources related to their topic. It is important for students to find trustworthy sources from respected organizations, scholarly publications, and qualified authors. Using credible sources ensures the accuracy of the information and maintains the integrity of the research. As students incorporate research into their paper, they must ensure all sources are properly cited to avoid plagiarism. Citation styles such as MLA or APA should be used, depending on the student's topic. Students can use citation tools, online formatting guides, or receive help from teachers or instructors for citing sources. Accurate citations help give credit to the original authors and credibility to the student's paper. Throughout the paper, students must maintain clear, professional, and academic language. Grammar and spelling tools can be extremely helpful to ensure that the student's research paper is neat and polished. And that's it. By following these simple steps, students will be able to write a high quality professional research paper. Remember, your journey towards academic success begins with a single word: